Good morning to all. In previous class, we discussed about plants. In this class, we will discuss about rocks and minerals. You know, the earth is made up of rocks and soil. How does the earth is made up of? Rock and rocks and soil. So, the rocks are made up of small grains. So, whatever the rocks are there now, all rocks are made up of small grains. If you look at a piece of small rock with the help of magnifying glass, you will find that the rocks are made up of small grains. Suppose if you take a single grain, what is that? So, single rock. Suppose if you take a single rock and if you find out that it may be made up of grains of different colors. How does it? Grains of different colors. So, the rocks are made up of grains of different colors, and also these grains are naturally or occurring as a substance known as minerals. It's known as a minerals. Do you know how does this mineral made up? Yes, these minerals are building. How does it? It is building blocks of rocks. So, how does this minerals made up? It is the minerals are building blocks of rocks. So, each rock, whatever we discussed about rocks now, here if we take each rock, each rock is a mixture of one or more minerals. One or more minerals. So, this each rock is a mixture of one or more minerals. So, these rocks, so on the basis of a mode of formation, the rocks are divided into three types. How many types those are divided? Those are divided into three types. The first one is igneous rocks. What is the first one? Igneous rocks. And the second one is sedimentary rocks. The third one is metamorphic rocks. So, on the basis of the formation of rocks are divided into three types. Those are igneous rocks, sedimentary rocks and metamorphic rocks. Let us discuss how does these igneous rocks will made up. Actually, these igneous rocks are very oldest rocks. What are those? Very oldest rocks. So that we can call that these are the oldest rocks. Igneous rocks are the oldest rocks, and also the earth core is made up of molten. That molten rocks we are calling as a magma. What we are calling? Magma. This magma comes out with force through that rocks in the earth's surface, crushing, forming as a volcano. Have you seen in Discovery Channel when the volcano is bursting? Have you seen? So at that time one reddish substance is releasing from that rocks. Do you know what was that? That we are calling lava. What we are calling? Lava. So this magma known as also a lava. Whatever the volcano is there, nowadays we are calling as a lava. You know, the lava cools down on the earth surface and form as the igneous rocks. How does this igneous rocks made up? When the lava cools down and it will sticky on that earth floor, no? So after that it will make as a rock. So those rocks we are calling igneous rocks. And also there are different kinds of igneous rocks are there, and it depends upon the kind of minerals. How does they depend upon? How can we say that these rocks are igneous rocks and other rocks are sedimentary or metamorphic rocks? How could we consider that one? By seeing their quantity. So here also the type of igneous rocks depend on the kind of minerals, with the magma contains the size of mineral particle. Whatever the small mineral particles are there, no, by seeing that they can consider that that is a igneous rocks. So these igneous rocks also classified into 4 types. How many types? 4 types. Those are first one, granites. Granites are there, no, that. And the second one, basalt. The third one is obsidian. The fourth igneous rock is pumice. So the igneous rocks also classified into 4 types. What are those? The first one is granites, the second one is basalt, the third one is obsidian, and the fourth one is pumice. So like that. And the second one, sedimentary rocks, also they classified into different types. The upcoming class will discuss full information about that granites, basalt, obsidian and pumice. What is their color, how does we can find out that, and where could we get this type of rocks. This all information we will discuss in next class. Up to this we will recall what we learned in this class. So we discussed that the earth made up as rocks and soil, and also every rock is consist as a minerals, a small substance occurring. That substance we are calling as a minerals. So these minerals act as a building blocks of rocks, that we discussed. In that the rocks are classified into 3 types. Those are igneous rocks, sedimentary rocks and metamorphic rocks. And these igneous rocks also classified into 4 types. Those are, the first one is granite, the second one is basalt, the third one is obsidian and the fourth one is pumice. So this all we discuss in upcoming class. Thank you.